level of the Eiffel Tower. And we're looking out at the city right now. And we're going to walk over here. Let's see a few people. And some elevator doors, I think. There's a sign it can't see right now. And over here, that is downtown modern Paris. And down here is some medieval energy, I guess. It's kind of hard to see the buildings right now, but it's still pretty awesome. That's the Seine that I just went on that way. That's some more of Paris. Now we're going to go over here. Oh, watch out for the telescope. Keep going. Oh, there's a second level down here. Didn't really know that. There's some Parisians, I'm guessing. I think there's a searchlight on that. Oh, let's look at the top of the Eiffel Tower. You can't go up there. Wow, look at that. Isn't that amazing? See I'm moving behind it. Yeah. Some traffic down there.